ridiculous. Now for 4 days, the whole entire sky's been covered by chemicals from spray, not exhaust. Exhaust dissipates. So don't let debunkers tell you, oh, it's up real high, it's frozen. It's not up high enough. If it were, the cumulus clouds would look like cirrus clouds because they would be made up of ice particles. The way cirrus clouds are made up of ice particles, which they're made up of because they're in a much higher, much colder altitude. Cumulus clouds are not made up of ice crystals because they are not at an extremely high and cold altitude. And here it is, this thick spray, not frozen exhaust or frozen fuel because it's not cold enough to freeze it and freeze it solid and have it stay frozen for so long. Right behind is a little bit of cumulus clouds trying to come out. Look at all this hairspray and being pulled at with tarp. See this every time. And we get a tiny little spittle, dust particle sized droplets. A little bit of rain managed to make it out before all the clouds have been successfully dried out. So I guess that's enough to make people think drought isn't being induced. Look at that. It looks like they're, in this section here, fingerprinting the sky with white paint. Okay. When people say it's fuel dumping, either they think fuel is white or they think it's frozen. And like I said, it's not at a cold enough altitude to be frozen. Otherwise, you'd be seeing cirrus clouds, natural ones, not the chem clouds that the NASA has dubbed as cirrus clouds to confuse everybody, but naturally created, not by chemicals, cirrus clouds.